Hi everyone, welcome to High on Life. This was my first ever overnight bus journey with my family. I was all excited, packed chips, snacks, full picnic vibes. The bus started rolling, lights went blue, mood set like a Bollywood night scene. Dinner time, I opened my homemade dum aloo and paratha and it was so yummy. Then came the moment, time to sleep. I wrapped myself in blanket, closed my eyes and thought, peaceful night ahead. But no, the passenger in front of me decided to perform the snore symphony. I swear it wasn't normal snoring. It was like a tractor starting, lion roaring, glass breaking all at once. Moral of the story, never underestimate a snorer. They don't sleep, they perform.